Un santuario de animales es un lugar donde todos somos iguales. Humanos y otras especies tenemos el mismo derecho a la vida. Es un lugar donde muchos activistas trabajamos de distintas formas para enseñar a la sociedad lo maravillosos que son los animales, lo bonito que sería un mundo sin especismo, sin explotar a los demás, sea cual sea la especie. Hola, soy Elena Toba, soy fundadora y directora del Hogar ProVegan, Animal Sanctuary, que es un santuario de animales. Estamos en Marsal, Tarragona, y tenemos más de 200 animales de todas las especies, pues viviendo su vida, rescatados y concienciando a la sociedad. Nosotros rescatamos algunos animales, contamos sus historias y sobre todo mostramos al mundo cómo son en realidad cuando no tienen miedo a los humanos, cómo se comportan, que cada uno tiene su personalidad. Es un poco enseñar la verdad sobre ellos para que la gente los conozca, les deje de temer y puedan respetarles. Un voluntario es el motor que mueve un santuario, tanto dentro como fuera de él. A nosotros nos encanta decir que somos una familia porque somos el hogar, somos un grupo de activistas de todas las ciudades, incluso de países, de todas las condiciones, chicos, chicas, de todas las edades y nacionalidades, pero a todos nos une un poco lo mismo, ¿no? Esa necesidad de justicia para los animales y ese amor incondicional.
Hello, my name is Julie and I come from Canada, from Quebec. I'm a translator in normal life and this is a little something different that I'm doing. I've been here for 2 weeks and I'm staying for 1 more week, so that's going to be 3 weeks in total. Since I got here at the Hogar ProVegan, I've really been learning a lot about working with animals, because that's something I had never done before. I had been around cats and dogs, of course animals that we know more, but I had never worked with cows, pigs, goats, so I really learn a lot about that, something new every day. I also learn a lot from the people I work with here, because we all come from different backgrounds, from different countries, so we each have something to teach each other. So I've been learning about vegan cooking, new recipes, new ideas of how to prepare good vegan meals.
Hey, I'm Anna Schäfers. I come from Germany. I'm 18 years old and just finished school, and now I'm here for 1 year. I really like Hogar ProVegan because here are very many animals. The people eat only vegan food. That's important for me, because for me it doesn't make sense if you on the one hand eat an animal and on the other hand you rescued one. So it's the biggest argument. My typical task here is to feed the palomas and the cats, and Elena gave me responsibility for the dogs, so I walk the dogs and look if they eat enough and if they are all well. And I have a responsibility for the rabbit, it's Malala, and so I also give her food, look that her cage is clean, her house is clean, and that she is inside her house at night and that she is well.
I am Lara Hirsch and I come from Germany, and I'm here with an organization called Red Cross, and I will stay here for 1 year. Here at Hogar ProVegan, I learned how delicious is vegan food, and yes, that every animal has their own personality, and that you have to treat every animal in another way, and that they love to be touched, or others just love to be fed with a special kind of food or something like that. The typical task I'm doing every day at Hogar ProVegan is to be responsible for the pigeons and also for the gatos leucemicus, and yes, to give them their food, to look for them if there's something special, if they need anything, and yes, after that we collect biotas for the animals because it's very healthy for them.
El veganismo es una forma de vida, es una filosofía, es un sentimiento de justicia sobre todo. Todos los animales tenemos derecho a vivir y a no ser maltratados y a no sentir dolor, y que unos sean de una especie u otra no nos da derecho a aprovecharnos de ellos. Es un poco ser coherente con lo que estás pensando, no hacer daño a nadie, ni para divertirte, ni para vestirte, ni sobre todo para comer. No hace falta, viene mejor no comer animales porque nuestro cuerpo no está hecho para eso, y sobre todo es respetar la vida de los demás.
My message for the people in our society is to get more attention to the animals, and to not only think about changing, they should change, really change, not only think about.
I think it would be a very good thing if the society in general would become vegan, because, well, first of all, of course, it would be a good thing for all the animals that are currently suffering so much everywhere in the world, so that we can use them for food, for clothing, for experiments. So that would, putting an end to that would be something tremendous. And it would also be good for us humans because I think it's very healthy to eat vegan. So we would we'd be more healthy in general in our societies. It would be good for the environment because it's the footprint of a vegan diet is a lot less important than the ones of people who eat meat. So in general, for all these reasons, health, environment, animals, respect, love, it would be a good thing for everyone.
A mí me encantaría decir a la gente que no es vegana que no os sintáis criminalizados ni que penséis que los activistas por los derechos animales os culpamos de nada, porque yo no nací vegana, mi familia no es vegana y la quiero por igual, y lo único que nosotros pretendemos, por lo menos desde el Hogar ProVegan, es enseñaros una verdad que nosotros hemos conocido y que queremos compartir, porque por justicia no queremos que os engañen y no queremos que estéis mal de salud comiendo cosas que nos van a venir bien, y sobre todo queremos mucho a los animales y no queremos que se les trate mal. Por eso, simplemente por justicia, queremos compartir lo que hemos aprendido y queremos compartirlo con mucho cariño y con mucho respeto. Es lo que tiene, ¿verdad? Vivir entre ellos, gente grande. Cuando te quieren, pasa esto. Ya, que me están entrevistando, gordita. Pues deciros que esto es más bonito que comerte a los animales, de verdad. Tenéis que probarlo y vais a cambiar también vuestra forma de tratar al resto de humanos.